Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to do a no index, telling Google do not index this page, do not show this page on Google search. Okay, I'm gonna show you this using Rank Math. Rank Math is a plugin for SEO on WordPress. Okay, so as you can see here right now, I already click edit to a page that I want to tell Google do not index it. Do not index this page. Okay. So when you do that and you look on this column here, you can see here, this is rank map. Okay. If you don't see it here, you can click where is those three dots are where they say option. Okay. You can see here rank maps also. Okay. So I want to tell rank map do not index this page on Google. Where it says general, as you can see here, I'm going to click where they say advanced. Here, you click. Okay. So from here, you got index. If you click here, it's going to tell you what does it mean. So when it's index, that means Google going to index this page. When someone look for it on Google, they're going to find it. So all you're going to have to do, when you click index, automatically it go no index. Okay. I'm going to say also aucune archiving, no archiving. So it's margin archiving, margin indexing. Okay. So when you're done, you click save. So now this means Google will not index this page. So when someone go to Google, it will never see the page in question. Okay. I hope this video will help someone who is in need. Please don't forget to like it, share, and subscribe. Ciao.